down the cloud. Break the cage, let the fire ignite. Feel the thunder in my veins tonight. No more holding back, I'm taking the fight. To the edge of the world where the stars burn bright. Break the cage, hear the sound of my roar. This is my time, I'm bound no more. I see the cracks in the walls, the light pouring through. Every scar on my soul is a badge's proof. I've been sleeping on my dreams, now I'm wide awake. Time to claim what's mine, everything I'll take. Hear the pounding in my chest, it's a war just cry. Time to shatter every limb and watch me reach the sky. No more whispers in my mind, I'm screaming loud. Breaking through the silence, tearing down the cloud. Break the cage, let the fire ignite. Feel the thunder in my veins tonight. No more holding back, I'm taking the fight. To the edge of the world where the stars burn bright. Break the cage, hear the sound of my roar. This is my time, I'm bound no more. No chains can hold me, no bars can bind. I'm leaving my fears, my doubts behind. Every step's a quake, every breath's a flame. This is my rebirth, I'm shedding my name. Break the cage, the time is now. I'll rewrite the story, I'll show them how. With every heartbeat, I'll rise once more. A force of nature they can't ignore. Break the cage, let the fire ignite. Feel the thunder in my veins tonight. No more holding back, I'm taking the fight. To the edge of the world where the stars burn bright. Break the cage, hear the sound of my roar. This is my time, I'm bound no more. Boom, 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 hear my heart explode. On this wild new path, I found my code. Break the cage, no fear, just strive. In this powerful anthem, I'll rise with pride. Let the fire ignite. Feel the thunder in my veins tonight. No more holding back, I'm taking the fight. To the edge of the world where the stars burn bright.